Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from AngelRose Designs here on YouTube. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm here with some Happy Meal from Miss Pearl Brown. I already have it opened because I cut addresses and stuff off, so we're gonna dig into this and see what we have got. Ooh, I see some fabric. Okay, so we have this fabric. This is pretty. Uh-oh. I almost stuck myself here. This is so pretty. Look at that, how pretty. It's got greens and grays in here, and some black. Some like a beige color. I think I know what I'm gonna do with this piece of fabric. Remove that to the side. And then we have this piece of fabric. Try not to stick myself. Well, I can't take the staple out, and I don't want to injure myself. So we got it. There we go. I'm gonna put that to the side. And this is the Louis Vuitton fabric that I purchased from her. No, Ralph Lauren fabric. And I like it. I have some good ideas what I'm gonna make with it. And this is 2 yards of it, I believe. And the other one was 1 yard. No, it's under 2 yards. It's about a yard and a little under 2 yards, which is okay. Okay. If you stay tuned, I will have photos at the end of the video. And I want to thank you all for watching. Thank you for all your support. Let me move these out before I do something I don't want to do. And thank you for watching. Please like, share, and comment if you haven't already. Hit that hit the big red subscribe button and subscribe. And also hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload a new video or any type of new content. And I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye bye for now, Crafty Angel.